Good morning.
Welcome to the endless bull run. Thanks for tuning into this one. Now let's have some fun.
Trying out something new. Let's see if it works.
Endless bull run, Sam's on the screen.
Gonna be trading some Bitcoin and some
Calling those ticks like a money machine.
NQ today.
TTrades, Fractal in a neon grid. Swing high, swing low, that's the bid he did. Endless bull run chart in his hand. Zoom out fam, got a long-term plan. From politics scripts to crypto flips, Sam's new campaign is these candlestick tips. Endless bull run, Sam says one more leg. TTrades, Fractal in his head like a pledge. Break of structure, we jump off the ledge, then it wicks back up and we still feel blessed. 1 minute trader, heart rate danger. 15-minute thinker, swing trade ranger. 4-hour chef, let it simmer in the zone. Dutch oven hot, he just calls it home. Oh yeah. It's time to go long. This time it can't go wrong. I just told you, and it has been so long since I watched the Dutch oven tutorial. So you know what to do. Wait, what? No, not the Dutch oven. Slow cook accumulation, changing state of delivery. He talk like a wizard.
Sup Willa? Sup Willa?
Growing bigger. Break of structure line. Price snaps like a breadstick. Changing state of delivery. He's calling every plot twist. 1 minute candles racing. 15's laying out the plan. 4 hours slow cook patience. Dutch oven for the diamond hands. Ooh yeah. Endless bull run, yell it again. Stocks and crypto whistle back, my friend. Dutch oven cooking.
Give me a minute, guys. I'm trying a new streaming platform.
We just call it a bend. 1 minute panic, 15 magic. 4-hour calm, like why so dramatic? There was a break of structure, a change in state of delivery. 1 minute fake out, 15 cleans the noise up. 4-hour maps, the treasure map. Sam just laughs, same game, new day. BOS breaks, we scream, okay, okay. He says, same shape, different ticker. Fractal fam, it just rhymes quicker.
There we go.
I'm deep red, still clicking like Sam. I'm holding till I'm richer. Endless bull run, ride it too close. If it all rubs, that's how it goes. Dutch oven slow cook, everybody knows. Sam hits live and the bullishness grows. Fractal slow cook, everybody knows.
Had this all set up and then I messed it up right before I got off.
foolishness grows.
There we go.
Fractal snipers.
Man, how's everyone doing?
Show that you care, like, subscribe, and share. Fractal snipers. Show that you care, like, subscribe, and share.
Oh yeah, I saw that Willa. The Stas was making music. I haven't listened to any of them yet. The old AI can do anything. Oh, we're in shop. Let me know how the sound is too, because I've, like I said, new platform here. What are we looking for today? This damn thing keeps on telling me to sign in, and I'm already signed in, so I don't know where it wants me to sign into. So we'll just ignore that for now. A lot of chop. Music is louder than my voice right now. Okay, that's good to know that I need to. How about now? We'll dial this in. Thanks, Willa. Turn down the audio a little bit more. I meant the music a little bit more. Well, we've been plummeting on Bitcoin, right? It's looking bearish here too. New 15-minute coming up. We'll see what it does. Look at this crap today, guys. Look at this friggin' absolute junk. That's about 50-50. Okay, one more try here. Let's cut this in half again. There you go, I cut it in half again. Okay. At least we're not missing much price action while I get this set up. I'll get better at this once I figure out this platform a little bit more. It's kind of bothering me that it wants me to sign in and won't let me sign in. It's like half signed in, but whatever. Sweet, thanks Willa. Dialed that in. have both a horizontal and vertical stream going on as well today. So if you want to see a landscape, just go to my channel and click the other live stream if that's the way you found me. If not, I have it nice and optimized for mobile right now. Oh, it was fun earlier. Like I said, I was just getting everything set up. Last night, everything was working fine. I'm trading this morning. I enter a trade. I don't have my stop loss or take profit set. I just market it in, and I was going to set that right after. And then my monitor went blank. It would not get out of sleep mode. I'm like, what the hell is going on? It came unplugged from the back of my computer. So I jumped on my other computer real quick and put my stop loss and take profit in. Actually, I just closed it out after I did that. I'm like, I'm a little bit too much action for me to concentrate on the trade, so I closed it out for a little bit of profit. This is my, I'm not copy trading yet, anything. This is one of my trade 500. Again, this is the eval that we're all been working on. I really want to take this short, but it did not make a candle wick here. It's bleeding. This was my target down here. This is the yeah, that gap right there. That was perfect. I did not get in on it though. A lot of people got chopped up this morning. It was really, really choppy. Anybody enter a trade yet today? Yeah, I see a lot of people are done trading for the day. I don't blame them. This looks like absolute garbage. So I'm guessing that I just wanted to like get this situated. If I find a trade while I'm doing it, that's good. It's more like a test run. So far, so okay. Now if we can make a little money on top of this would be nice. Basically what I'm waiting for here is this to break, this range. Come back into this gap somewhere and probably bounce out of it. Stays pretty bearish though, huh? That bounce might not be very big. That's what I'm looking at for NQ though, because we're in this like consolidation, right? AMD out of it. Accumulation, then manipulation down to the side, downside, and then back up. At least retrace for the day to give it a tail. If not, it's just going to plummet through here, through that gap. And then my next targets are down here. Go with a little bit less aggressive. A little less aggressive music. Really should have been a no trade day for me, but it's a little win day. Little win day. Oh crap, we gotta take a look at Farcoin. Farcoin retest. Holding top of opening right. Wisby Farcoins. Actually, Farcoin's stronger than Bitcoin right now. That's funny. Oh no, that looks pretty heavy. Dutch Oven says go down, I think. How's that compare to Bitcoin? What orb do you use? The 15-minute orb? That's right here. Nope. Where is the first 15 minutes? Right here. Willow, which range do you use? I forget. Y'all talking about it. Some people use the 5-minute or the hourly. Or the 15. Or the half hour. Come on. Come to my little pocket right there. $15-minute on fart. Uses the 15-minute on back. Yeah, that's why I didn't short Bitcoin. Just basically held right there. Came up flat, didn't make a wick first. Made the tail first. But how far does that want to go? I don't know. Do I want to roll long it up here, down here? Not really. Yeah, Busted finally decided to go right. It's like one of those days where you don't really trust anything either, because it's just this. It's not leaving anything really to play with, right? You took one trade, or a couple trades today, Busta, I think. from what I saw on the Discord. This right here is a 15-minute, 1-minute fractal pairing. This is the TTrades indicator. It's all right. Definitely can't follow it blindly by any means. Just not doing anything down here. I think I'm going to start trading pre-market a little bit more. I've been testing it and I've done all right with it. My win rate's not anywhere near my New York session win rate, but I'm profitable, so I'm going to try to dial that in on one of my fundeds. Nothing I'm going to take on a self-funded, that's for sure. Not until I dial it in. Been watching y'all pre-market and it's helped a lot. Hey Belicio, how you doing? See you on the old mobile one. I do have the horizontal going as well. Trying out two. Get the people that aren't mobile maybe want to watch it on mobile rather than on the horizontal. Now I see ya. Yeah, after 7 a.m. it's looking pretty smooth. It's just so slow. I gotta get used to the slowness of it, and I have to get used to the candle size. It's almost like I could size up a little bit during pre-market. My other big thing is like draws on liquidity. It's mostly internal draws, right? Whereas New York, I'm looking for external draws of London and Asia highs and lows. I don't really know where the draws are in pre-market. Come on, do this for us. Maybe. No, this is the 15. I don't want to do that. I want to do this. All right, still. At least up to there. That's a good 100 and something points. We can scalp something in there. You want this gap. You know you do. Okay, Bitcoin finally made that wick on that 15, but it's still looking like consolidation. Maybe the slow curve down. I'm back on the stream only trading of the whatever the hell this is, the Warbucks account. I didn't take a trade on the Tradeify crypto yesterday at all. Trading journal just show that I haven't taken any trades on this since we... Come on, load. Trading dashboard. Ah, trading dashboard, there we go. Still milking this 83% win rate. I need to up my position sizes. This is the smallest account they can have with Warbucks. Just testing them out. Need to get to 500 bucks. We're a fifth of the way there. The fees are killer though. I might have more fees than I have profit and loss. Quote unquote fees on a sim funded. The sim account. It's kind of crazy. Off this 5-minute fair value gap here. Busta. It's about where I got in on my one. Oh, God damn it, again. Okay. I am 1 second. It's been wanting to disconnect today. Make sure I got back into the right account. I did. Okay. Look at the 4 hour. The 4 hours must be straight down, right? Yeah. Because like the overnight does this and then New York just bleeds. Doesn't make it fun. Just bleeds. I'm still waiting for this. I'll make a box here so we can see it better on this black background. We're looking for this box to be tapped into or run through. That's what we're waiting for. Tap or run. Tap or rail. Let's do rail. Tap or rail. So that's what we're looking for there. Just teasing it. Just teasing it. A lot of people already walked away. If I wasn't streaming, I probably would. But I just want to hang. I want to see how this gets this workflow for me going. It's good. Nothing exciting. That exciting is happening, except this might be. Except I wanted it to happen down here. Because that could be a 1, 2, 3 candle. Let's take a look at the 15. Let's get it real clean. Not really. Come down and tap this. That 4 hour just wants it. It's just coming down. Maybe it'll make a swing low out of this, but this is the 4 hour and this is the weekly on that fractal. Did have a change in the state right here. So if anybody was open trading the 4 hour at 6 p.m. last night. One hour and daily. As you can see, the dailies just railed through that fair value gap. This could be a 1, 2, 3, really. Changing the state again last night. If anybody's trading Asia, then took that short, they could have held it for a while. You'd have to bank on it going through this fair value gap though, which it did with authority. Five-minute looks consolidating. Watching paint dry here. Let's look at gold. See the daily on gold. Let's go top down. Daily and monthly are looking bearish, huh? Monthly, daily. It's only a few more days in this month though. 2 days left in this month. Four hours retracing. 15, yeah. 15 could get busy. Change the state if it closes up here. New 5 minute. Let's see what the 5 minute is real quick. 5 minutes reaching, but we don't know. Like everything's doing the same thing. Just consolidating down here. Silver. Yeah, everything's basically doing the same thing. We're getting closer to our tap and range. Trying to be acting a little weird. Just want to snap in because that's how big the range is for this. See, I want to short it down to there, but it's just not giving anything that's looking that great other than chop. Yeah, NQ hasn't hit the daily order block. I think that's where that gap is about, right? Which order block are you talking about? This seems to be holding. This one down here. This one here is holding for now. It's probably not going to hold though. How you doing, Reggie? I didn't see if you took any trades today. I'm flat. Oh, no, sorry, I'm not flat today. I took one small winner. When you enter a trade with no stop loss or take profit and you're going to put it in afterwards and your computer screen goes blank like the second that you click it. Fun times. So I jumped on my other computer, set up the stop loss and take profit, and decided I didn't want to have the brain power to do that after that little bit of a scare. So I took a little bit of profit, ended up going to my take profit. You know how that is. So now I'm hunting something else. Hunting in very bad conditions. And Bitcoin is still consolidating like I thought it would be. Not doing anything fun. Oops, did not mean to click that. I meant to click this. There we go. It's testing everyone's patience today, that's for sure. It's a 5 minute and 1 hour. 1 hour looks like it could be forming a swing low. See what this new hour brings. It's lunchtime now, guys. See if lunchtime is a little smoother than the rest of the day has been. What's the hourly look like on Bitcoin? I hate when it looks like that. It's like my pet peeve. I don't know how to play it when it looks like that. This could be a 1, 2, 3. This could be 4. We get out of there, or it could be consolidation. Trying to see if I see anything on the 1 minute for this 15 to go up. That 15 is looking like it wants to go. But I'm not seeing any kind of signature that I like on the 1 minute to enter. Rich, if you're out there and you're watching, we're thinking about you. Hopefully, you're getting cleaned up from that tornado. Hope you and your family are all right. Stay safe, cleaning up. Accidents can happen during the cleanup too. Power lines, chainsaws, all that. Let us know if you need anything. Pure junk. Pure junk. Let's clean this up. I don't need to look at any indicators right now. Well, that's what we're looking at. That's what we're looking at. Dog sound asleep. I always forget she's in the office sometimes. She didn't like this price action either. She took one look at the price action and she was like, I'm going to bed. I think the only trade that I would have had was here. I was feeding the dogs at this time, but I don't honestly think I would have taken it. We can talk about it. Mark it out first. Got the change in state. You have kind of a protected swing there. Dipped into that tiny fair value gap. Hold on, let me bring it over here so people on the mobile can see it. Tiny little fair value gap. Oh, is it not over enough? Okay, tiny fair value gap. Right there. Dips in. Comes back down. Changes the state right here. Right. Even comes back up to the order block. Can measure the order block down, or you're probably just aiming for this wick here. Enter at the order block. Stop above that protected. That protected swing there. Go to our, yeah. It's about the only trade I would have taken. If I would have talked myself into it, I probably would not have taken it. Just so crusty there. Dug deep into that fair value gap and didn't just tap it. It ran the whole thing and then back out. And of course, we're waiting for it to come back down and touch this, and it has not. Because that is a gap here. That's what we're aiming for. This could be a retrace to come back down. Slow day. Like, look at this 1 minute. This is going up like a razor blade, like a chainsaw, or rather. Little spikes on it, all the way up. Wiki. Didn't get our entry. If this just moons from here, I'll be sad, but not too sad. Best of, we're not getting our down target. I think by the time it hits it, it'll be Asia. Teasing us with all these relatively equal lows. Look at that. Crazy. Close into that 5 minute. Oh, look at that 5 minute. One of these days, guys, we're going to get nothing but smooth sailing, and this is going to be nothing but setup after setup. But that's not the market we're in. That's like the 24 market. Yeah, exactly, Buster. Give us a 15-minute fair value gap. There's like none, right? Yeah, there's like literally none. The only one right there that's marked out. Do we think it's going to come all the way up here? Like, how much time does it need to come up here and then back down here? I guess it's not too far away. This just looks like so far away, but it's actually not that far away now that I'm looking at it. Yeah, it's only like 80 points from that bottom of this 15. That's why you'll see me constantly measuring candles just to see how much price is moving, so I can have a good idea of how many contracts I want to enter in. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, I could finish the day in that gap. I'm about to give up and just start drawing trend lines and triangles. Who's with me? Let's all go buy a trend line course. Anybody know a good one? So like I'll split it with like 10 of us watching. We'll split it. It's a $5,000 course, so we'll split it. So it's only $500 a piece. And then we'll all just wear a mustache. So we're going to invest in mustaches for the Zoom calls. So they never know who's on. And that's how we game the trend line course. VWAP's not so bad. Institutions use VWAP, so it's not a bad indicator. Although I don't think the VWAP is anywhere near us right now. I'll have indicator shut off. Hold on. See, it plays nice with the VWAP. It really does. That's where institutions are buying and selling. At least that's what I've been told. And there are very successful VWAP traders. Oh, yeah, VWAP, not WAP, VWAP. What's fun is I actually trade better without all this clutter on here. Then I talk myself out of it once I start adding indicators. Oh, Bitcoin's still in consolidation, guys. Shocking. VWAP. That's how I say it, right? But it's VWAP, though. There's an A. Man, I think we have this conversation like once a quarter. It's like my main accent wants to take over, and it's now WAP, VWAP, VWAP. And if I say VWAP, it's really, main accent really kicks in, VWAP. Bebop, the bebop line. That's where you would get funky. Okay, so say if we were trendline traders and we took the $5,000 course. Right, and then we draw another one over here. So yeah, it's coming down here. $70% of the time, it breaks down from here. Could I see that data, please? No. Yeah, Reggie, you have us all beat. Gone now. If I say something offensive in British, I'm sorry. Ain't it? Isn't it? It's that one. Isn't it? Yeah, Buster, that sounds like a great idea. Have fun in the pool. You Southerners have it made. It's nice and warm down there right now. Oh, you're gonna do it, but you're gonna charge back. Imagine spending $5,000 or $6,000 for it. 89. It's 61 here right now, but it feels a lot warmer than 61 here. I'd rather it be 89. Going to Arizona next month. It's gonna be like 100. Okay, I'm going to call it here too, guys, if I can figure out how to shut this new system down. This price action is torture. Appreciate you all hanging out while I try to dial in my new yeah, I'll try not to I'll try not to offend you. We know. Well, we know. Appreciate y'all hanging while I figure out the new system. It's working pretty good so far, I think. Let's see if I can actually stop the stream though. Until then, maybe peace. Depends how long I figure